With Samsung's Galaxy S8 tipped to arrive with an enhanced front camera that sports autofocus technology instead of your typical fixed-focus selfie snapper, the war for the heart of the narcissistic types is bound to become even more fierce. That is why we felt obliged to round up some of the more intriguing models you can get right now if you're a selfie aficionado. Surprise, surprise, the Galaxy A5 and A7 2017 are no Chinese phones but still sport the whopping 16-megapixel front camera resolution with wide aperture for the perfect selfie. A bit of trivia about Samsung's newest mid-rangers, that's exactly the resolution and aperture of their main cameras as well. While not sold in the US, the Vivo X9 has a firm place in any selfie phone roundup as it sports a dual camera with 20-megapixel and 8-megapixel sensors at the front for some pretty depth of field effects in your portraits, plus a soft glow LED light to illuminate those faces better. Sold between $230 and $300 in the US, depending on whether it is on promotion or not, the 6-inch X8 Ultra has a nutty 16-megapixel front camera with optical image stabilization and a slow-seeing LED flash for a detailed selfie picture. Vivo has always taken pride in providing multimedia powerhouses and is moving in strides with the selfie camera department too. This budget V5 uses a whopping 20-megapixel resolution frontal cam with a high-quality Sony sensor. Moreover, it employs an LED flash on the front for one of the best theoretical selfie setups, this side of the dual selfie cam Vivo X9. One of the thinnest phones in the world still found place for a wide-angle front-facing camera with adjacent LED flash for better lit selfies. The Moto Z is a beauty with its 5.2mm slim metal frame, the prettiest camera hump out there, and the versatility of the Moto modes that turn the phone into a projector, a loudspeaker, or can add 10 times optical zoom at will.